In this video, I want to show you how to replace the ink toner in your Brother HL-L2465DW printer. So let's get started. Step number one is to open the compartment that is located right over here in the front. You're going to put your fingers on the side of the printer. You see there's a small gap. There's another one on the other side. And you're going to simply flip down this cover. Then you're going to take the drum of the printer simply by pulling it out. As you see, this is the drum, this is the carriage where we need to insert the toner. So what we need to do now is to simply remove the orange cover over here of this toner. Okay, you can dispose of it. And also remove this other orange cover right over here. Now it's time to place the toner in the carriage. So how do you do it? Well, first you need to be able to read Brother on it. Make sure this is facing you. And you're going to hold it on the handle over here. Then simply drop it in this position and press on the handle until it clicks in place. Once you hear that click, it's great. In the future, if you want to replace the ink toner, you simply have to push this green lever to unlock it. And then you'll be able to take it out and place a new toner. If while using the printer you notice that you have some stains, black stains on your paper or something weird going on, you can clean the drum itself. Not many people know this, but if you use this green slider on the top over here, as it says over here, you simply have to slide it completely on the other side and then put it back. Do this around 10 to 20 times at a time. Make sure you put it back over here, and this will clean your drum. And if you had stains on your prints, it should eliminate this. Now it's time to put it back in the printer. So by holding the carriage just like this, we simply gonna slide it in. And you're gonna push it all the way in. Okay, perfect. Now you can close this door, and this is about it. If you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links down below. I'll put links towards replacement ink toner for this specific model. You also support my channel at the same time, since I get a very small commission every time you purchase through my Amazon links. Have a beautiful day, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.